What's up, fam? In today's vid, I'm going to show you how to set up a timer for background sounds on your MacBook Pro or Air running macOS 26.8. First thing, crack open the Settings app on your Mac, then slide over to Accessibility and scroll down till you hit that hearing section. Inside there, click on Audio. Keep scrolling a little bit and you'll see the background sound section. Make sure you got that toggle switched on. This feature plays some chill background noise to drown out all that annoying crap around you, so you can focus, kick back, or even knock out. Now right under that, you'll see the timer option. Click on Choose to set it up, and make sure the timer toggle's flipped on too. You'll see you got two ways to set it. Either pick at a specific time, or after an amount of time. Just roll with whatever works best for you. If you pick the Stop At option, you can lock in the exact time you want them background sounds to shut off. Heflash. There's also this setting called Always Use These Settings. Flip that on if you want your Mac to remember your timer setup and auto-run it every time you turn on background sounds. Once you're cool with all your choices, just hit OK and boom. You're all set. That's a wrap. Now you got background sounds running on a timer on your Mac. If this vid helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more Mac hacks. Catch you next time.